I'm Giuseppe Yannick, and I'm a senior here at POCC in the welding program. It gives me the chills thinking about it. Like last year we came in here and I mean, everything was different. Like we didn't have walls here. I mean, we got every new welder in here is brand new. We got ventilations and everything, but last year to this year, I mean, we have so much more space in here now. We got another room in the back.
I learned a lot. Like basically, I'm not gonna say everything about welding, but I've learned gas metal arc welding, TIG, stick, flux core. I've learned a lot about a lot of businesses and different routes you can go with welding. I'm basically a combination welder. I can read blueprints, make blueprints. I can measure stuff, weld stuff, grind stuff, cut stuff. It's a great opportunity. Planning on going to like Union for pipeline, and I kind of want to travel and weld. Be fun, travel around the United States and weld. POCC, extraordinary experiences for every student, every day.